Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can change your chat bubble theme in TikTok. So this is their latest update. Make sure you have updated your app. I also need to kind of reiterate if you have more than one account and your other account doesn't have the chat bubble theme yet, you just need to wait until it gets rolled out to your account. So just be patient, all right? So to change your chat bubble theme, you're just going to go to your inbox and you're just going to open up a chat with someone or yourself if you have like another account and just type in whatever first, for instance, hello. Then you're just going to want to click on that chat and you'll see bubble style underneath translate and above delete for all. So reply, forward, copy, translate, and bubble style. We have a few styles here. This is the default one. There's capybara, frog, cat dog, face palm, heart, pig shark, tongue bear, dog, like dodge, I don't know how to pronounce that, frog chick, hungry dog, dino. Still don't know how to pronounce this dog, but my friend really likes this kind of dog, I guess. Excited, Pepe the Frog, and we have shouting. We only have these so far. Maybe they'll add more in the future, but we don't know yet. Select the one you want. It's going to be applied to all of your chats, I think. Um, and then you're just going to press save on the on the top right corner. So you will see the examples first before you save it, and I like this one, so I'm just going to press save. And then once it's saved and you type something else, it's going to change, as you can see. So that is pretty much it. Again, update your TikTok and it's going to hopefully show when you press your chat bubble and you're able to change the theme. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!